Subhashayagaru. With your permission, I will speak in English and also use the Kannada words and phrases. When I came to Bangalore, I learnt one particular phrase, word, and that is Gotilla. Gotilla, Gotilla, illa, illa. Nange Kannad, Gotilla, Gotilla. So that was the first. Somebody asked me, then I said, Nange Kannad, Gotilla. Then I moved to the second stage of learning. What I am presenting to you is a model of learning. The 4 steps model of learning, 4 stages model of learning, which is applicable to all different processes of learning. So the first is the Gotilla stage. The second is the Swalpa stage. You start learning the things step by step, slowly. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಕನ್ನಡ ಕಲಿಯುತ್ತೀನಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ. ನಾನು ಕನ್ನಡ ಕಲಿಯುತ್ತೀನಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ. ಡೋಣಿ ಚಲಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ. ನಾನು ಕನ್ನಡ ಕಲಿಯುತ್ತೀನಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ. Boat is moving slowly and I am learning the Kannada slowly. ಸೇವು ಬರುತ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ. ನಾನು ಕನ್ನಡ ಕಲಿಯುತ್ತೇನೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ. Of course, Newton observed that the apple is falling at, because of the G, gravity, but now I am saying that the apple is falling swalpa swalpa and I am learning the Kannada swalpa swalpa. Gida, gida, ಬೆಳೆಯುತ್ತಿದೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ. IBA campus is full of plants, trees, and the trees are growing slowly, slowly. I have seen the growth. Professor Ramesh has also seen the growth because he is there from the beginning. And of course, Manish ji has seen the growth of the trees, and you are also seeing the growth of the trees. So the trees are growing slowly, slowly, and we are also learning the Kannada or the management or whatever subject we are learning. Slowly, slowly. Then comes the third stage, the breakthrough stage, the threshold stage. Though I have not reached that stage because I didn't get time to devote my time to, as far as Kannada learning is concerned, but first 2 stages, yes. The third stage is Moda oduttide vega vega. Moda oduttide vega vega. Clouds are moving very fast, very fast. And ನಾನು ಕನ್ನಡ ಕಲಿಯುತ್ತೀನಿ ವೇಗ ವೇಗ. Okay. ಬೆಂಕಿ ಉರುತ್ತದೆ. The fire is moving up. ವೇಗ ವೇಗ, very fast. And ನಾನು ಕನ್ನಡ ಕಲಿಯುತ್ತೀನಿ ವೇಗ ವೇಗ. And then the last stage will come. Hopefully, if not for me, for those who want to learn Kannada at a very deep level, and that is the Nanu Kannada Pandita Khandita. Nanu Kannada Pandita Khandita. So now I become the expert in the Kannada, or expert in management field, or expert in marketing, or expert in finance, or expert in HR. So these are the 4 stages of learning. And when I came to Bangalore, I found Karnataka is known for the management principles. Infosys is from here, so many powerful industries. The banking sector, go to Manipal and that area, so many banks have come from Karnataka. So what is the secret of that? What are the management principles which has inspired the people from Karnataka to create world-class institutions? So I identified 5 or 6 of them. The first thing that I noticed is that the idea of market is very deeply rooted here. Marukatte. Marukatte is a word which I learned as soon as I landed up in Karnataka. And I found that for the B schools, this is a very powerful idea, because the word market, English word market, I do not know whether it has come from the Kannada word marukatte. I have been trying to find it out, but nobody has given me the answer. Now, whether marukatte came from market or market came from marukatte, there is a creativity hidden in the word marukatte. Which one is the first, marukatte or market? Marukatte is old. Then the copyright of economics should come to Karnataka, not to Adam Smith. Okay, so the marukatte, maru is to sell, katte is the platform. So entire definition of economics, which Professor Prashant Kulkarni is teaching you, is all there in the word marukatte. The whole of economics is there, okay, hidden in that. Second idea I learnt is Swalpa adjust madi. You anywhere you go in Karnataka, buses, this and that, Swalpa adjust madi. And then I thought, everything which you are, reading in the HRD, the Human Resource Development, or the human relationship, is all contained, the mantra is there, simple mantra, Swalpa adjust madi. So if you can use this mantra, you will find that you can solve many problems of the human society and the world as a whole. The third model or mantra which I learned is what I call the 5K model. 5K model, and that is the secret of the Karnataka management style, whether it is Narayan Murthy or many others. 5K stands for, first K is for the Kannu, and those of my students who are not from Karnataka, Kannu is the eye. So eye means vision. So you must create a vision for the organization, for the nation, for the state. Kivi. Kivi is ears. So you must listen. Listen to your customers. Listen to your employees. Listen to what is happening in the market. So you have to develop that listening capacity. So that is the second K. Third K is Kuttige. Kuttige is the support. So unless there is a support, like for example, unless you have the finance, you cannot create an organization. So finance is very important. That Professor Ramesh has been telling you. Of course, according to him, that is the most important. But if you talk to HR people or communication people, they will say no. Ear is most important. If you don't have ear, then there will be a problem. Then somebody will say, strategy people will say, eyes are most important. Because if you don't have vision, then nothing can be achieved. And then Professor Suresh Chandra will say, no, Kai is most important. Kai is the hand. Operations. If there is no operations, you can't do anything. And then the HR people will come and say, no, Kalu is the most important. So Kalu is the leg. So these are the 5K model of management, which is hidden in the Kannada language itself. And then another idea which I learned, another mantra which I learned, is the Kayak Ve Kailasha. Kayak Ve Kailasha. Way to Kailasha is the Kayaka, Karya. So unless you work hard, you cannot reach Kailasha. You cannot reach your goal. So the entire idea of the work ethos And just 2 days back, Professor Suresh told you, stretch yourself. So unless you stretch yourself, you cannot reach Kailasha. You cannot reach the goal. So that's the basic idea of the work ethos which we need to learn. And this is the phrase which was given to us in the 11th century by Basvanna. Just like in the north we had the Kabir, here in south we had the Basvanna. And then lastly, another mantra which we have learned from Karnataka is the Anubhav Mantapa, the concept of Anubhav Mantapa. Again, that was given in the 11th century, which at IBA we have converted into the 3D model, and I think our guests have probably seen that place, the discussion, dialogue, and the discourse. And then I was looking at the flag. We just now posted the flag. What is the meaning of the flag? The Karnataka flag to all of us. The meaning which I had given in one of my earlier talks also is what I call Mannu Matte Moksha. Soil to soul. The green color represents the soil and the yellow color represents the soul. So the soil and the soul of a state, of a place, of a nation, and that is the message which is given to us by the Karnataka flag. I think this is a universal message. And then of course the goddess representing that, the flag. So the Mannu Mattu Moksha, the soil to soul philosophy, is the key idea which we get from the Karnataka flag. And finally, another idea which we have implemented at IBA is what we call the Jnana Deep Way, the knowledge lamp. The knowledge lamp which we lighted just now, that is the key idea which represents not only the Kannada language, not only Karnataka, but I think it represents the whole of India and probably the whole of the world. Because when we light the lamp, there are different rays coming out of the lamp. And what is the meaning of those rays? Now those rays are the different words, different letters of the Kannada language. So the Kannada language is originating from that Deepam, the knowledge lamp. So these are the ideas which I have learned personally, and I thought I will share with you these ideas. And then finally I conclude with another poem which I call India Pura Gite, Song of India Pura. And maybe students can sing with me. Are you willing to sing? Yes. Okay. Nanna uru chikka uru, nanna uru sundara. Nanna uru chikka uru, nanna uru sundara. Nanna uru hattira kunita mayura. Nannuru Chikkuru, Nannuru Sundara. Nannu Mane Chikkamane, Nannu Mane Sundara. Nannu Mane Hattira Kunita Mayura. India Pura Chikkapura, India Pura Sundara. India Pura Hattira Kunita Mayura. Nanna Desa Doddu Desa Nanna Desa Sundara. Nanna Desa Bharat Desa Nanna Desa Sundara. ನನ್ನ ಊರು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಊರು ನನ್ನ ಊರು ಸುಂದರ ನನ್ನ ಊರು ಹತ್ತಿರ ನಾಕೆ ಮಯೂರ ನನ್ನ ಊರು ಹತ್ತಿರ ಕುನ್ನಿತ ಮಯೂರ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ